Are you over 60, 70, or even 90, and starting to feel that your legs just aren't what they used to be? Maybe stairs feel like mountains, or a simple walk around the block leaves you feeling tired. It's a common concern, but what if I told you there's a simple, natural, and delicious way to help keep your legs powerful and your body strong well into your golden years? It's not some expensive supplement or a complicated exercise routine. It's a humble food that might already be in your kitchen. Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore the best natural remedies and healthy diet tips for vibrant living at any age. Today, we're uncovering the secret to maintaining strong legs and robust health as we get older. This isn't just about mobility. It's about freedom, independence, and enjoying life to the fullest. We'll dive deep into the science behind why our legs weaken and discover a powerful food that can help turn back the clock on muscle aging. So stick with me, because you won't want to miss this. First, let's understand what's happening to our bodies. As we age, a natural process called sarcopenia occurs. It sounds complicated, but it simply means the gradual loss of muscle mass, strength, and function. This process can start as early as our 30s, but really accelerates after age 60. It's why everyday activities can become more challenging. But here's the good news. Sarcopenia is not an unavoidable fate. We can fight back with the right nutrition. Our muscles are primarily made of protein. Think of protein as the building blocks for your muscles. When we don't get enough high-quality protein, our bodies can't effectively repair and build muscle tissue, especially after physical activity. This is where our star food comes into play. What is this magical food? It's the simple, yet mighty, egg. Yes, the incredible, edible egg. For years, eggs were unfairly villainized because of cholesterol concerns. But modern science has shown us that for most people, dietary cholesterol has very little impact on blood cholesterol. In fact, eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, perfectly designed by nature to support our health, especially as we age. Let's break down why eggs are so fantastic for keeping your legs powerful. First and foremost, they are a complete protein source. This means they contain all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. These amino acids are crucial for muscle protein synthesis, the process of repairing and building new muscle. Just one large egg provides about 6 grams of high-quality protein. But it's not just any protein. The protein in eggs is highly bioavailable, meaning our bodies can absorb and use it very efficiently. This is particularly important for older adults whose bodies may not be as efficient at processing protein as they once were. Think of it as giving your body the best possible construction materials to keep your leg muscles strong and sturdy. Beyond protein, eggs are packed with other vital nutrients. They are a fantastic source of vitamin D, a nutrient many people are deficient in. Vitamin D is essential not just for bone health by helping us absorb calcium, but it also plays a direct role in muscle function and strength. Low levels of vitamin D have been linked to an increased risk of falls and muscle weakness in older adults. Getting enough vitamin D, which eggs naturally provide, is a key part of maintaining a strong foundation. Another hero nutrient in eggs is leucine. Leucine is an amino acid that acts like a switch, turning on the muscle-building process in our bodies. Research has shown that meals rich in leucine are particularly effective at stimulating muscle protein synthesis, especially in older individuals. Eggs are a great natural source of leucine, making them an ideal food for anyone looking to preserve or build muscle mass. And we can't forget about the immune-boosting benefits. A healthy diet is your first line of defense, and eggs contribute significantly. They contain vitamins A, B12, and selenium, which are all critical for a healthy immune system. As we age, a strong immune response is more important than ever to help us stay healthy and active. So, by eating eggs, you're not just feeding your muscles. You're supporting your entire body's defense system. Now, you might be wondering, how many eggs should I eat? Most recent studies and health organizations agree that for healthy adults, an egg a day is perfectly fine and can be part of a healthy diet. If you have specific health concerns like diabetes or heart disease, it's always best to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to see what's right for you. They can give you personalized advice based on your health profile. Incorporating eggs into your diet is incredibly easy and versatile. You can have them scrambled for breakfast, hard-boiled as a snack, or in an omelet packed with vegetables for lunch. Adding vegetables like spinach, bell peppers, onions not only adds flavor, but also boosts the nutrient content with fiber and even more vitamins. This combination creates a powerful meal for muscle health and overall wellness. Remember, this is not about a quick fix. It's about making a consistent, positive change in your lifestyle. Combining a diet rich in high-quality protein from sources like eggs with regular physical activity is the ultimate recipe for success. Simple activities like walking, gardening, or gentle strength training exercises can make a huge difference. The protein from the eggs will provide the building blocks your body needs to repair and strengthen your muscles after these activities. In conclusion, don't let age define your strength or mobility. By embracing the power of natural, nutrient-dense foods like eggs, you can give your body the tools it needs to keep your legs strong and your spirit vibrant. It's a simple, affordable, and delicious strategy to combat muscle loss and support a healthy, active life for years to come. Start today and give your body the nourishment it deserves. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this information helpful and feel inspired to add this amazing food to your plate. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future tips on natural health and wellness. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. How do you like to eat your eggs? Until next time, stay healthy and stay strong. Are you over 60, 70, or even 90? Do you ever worry about your legs feeling weak, making it harder to enjoy life's simple pleasures like a walk in the park or playing with your grandkids? You are not alone. As we age, maintaining muscle strength, especially in our legs, is crucial for our mobility and independence. But what if I told you that a powerful solution might be sitting right in your kitchen pantry? Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're re-diving into a topic that's vital for healthy aging, keeping our legs strong and powerful well into our golden years. Many people think that weakening legs are just an unavoidable part of getting older. While it's true that we naturally lose muscle mass over time, a process called sarcopenia sab, absolutely not a battle we have to lose. The choices we make every day, especially with our diet, can have a profound impact. Forget complicated supplements or extreme workout routines for a moment. We're going to talk about a simple, delicious, and incredibly effective food that can help you maintain and even build leg strength. This isn't some miracle cure. It's a natural remedy backed by solid nutritional science. Are you ready to discover what it is? The secret weapon we're talking about today is beans, and all their cousins in the legume family, like lentils and chickpeas. I know. It might not sound glamorous, but stick with me. These humble powerhouses are one of the best things you can eat for muscle health, and they are a cornerstone of a healthy diet for anyone at any age. So, why are beans so fantastic for your legs? It comes down to two magic words: protein and fiber. First, let's talk protein. Protein is the fundamental building block of our muscles. When we don't get enough, our bodies can't effectively repair and build muscle tissue, leading to that feeling of weakness. Many people think they need to eat a lot of meat to get enough protein, but beans are an incredible plant-based source. For example, just 1 cup of cooked black beans contains about 15 grams of protein. This is crucial for fighting off age-related muscle loss and keeping your legs sturdy. Next up is fiber. Fiber might not sound like it's related to muscle, but it plays a huge supporting role. It helps regulate your blood sugar, preventing those energy spikes and crashes that can leave you feeling drained. Stable energy levels mean you have more get up and go for daily activities. which in turn helps keep your leg muscles active and strong. Plus, a high-fiber diet is great for managing weight, which reduces the strain on your joints, like your knees and hips. But the benefits don't stop there. Beans are packed with other essential nutrients. They are rich in magnesium, which is vital for muscle function and can help prevent cramps. They also contain potassium, which helps with nerve signals that control muscle contractions. Think of these minerals as the support crew that ensures your muscles work smoothly and efficiently. Incorporating more beans into your diet is also a fantastic way to boost your immune system. They are full of antioxidants and other compounds that help your body fight off inflammation. Chronic inflammation can contribute to muscle breakdown and overall weakness, so adding these immune-boosting foods to your meals is a win-win for your legs and your entire body. Now, you might be thinking, how can I eat more beans without it getting boring? That's the best part. They are incredibly versatile. You can add a can of chickpeas to your salad for a protein punch. You can make a hearty lentil soup, which is a perfect comfort food. How about a delicious black bean burger instead of a beef patty? Or you can whip up some homemade hummus with chickpeas to use as a dip for vegetables. The possibilities are endless. Start by aiming for just 3 to 4 servings a week and see how you feel. Remember, a healthy diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Combining these nutritional changes with gentle, regular movement is key. Even simple activities like walking, stretching, or chair exercises can make a huge difference in maintaining the strength and flexibility of your legs. The journey to strong, powerful legs is a marathon, not a sprint. By embracing simple, natural remedies like adding more beans and legumes to your meals, you are taking a powerful step towards maintaining your mobility and independence for years to come. It's about creating sustainable, healthy habits that nourish your body from the inside out. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this information helpful and feel inspired to give beans a bigger role on your plate. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on natural health and wellness. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your favorite way to eat beans? Stay healthy, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video.